Hello traders. Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. And welcome back everybody to our Q's analysis class here tonight on Thursday, June 28th of 2012. So let's take a look at our chart and let's see what happened here today. Wow, beautiful bounce off of that low area support that we talked about yesterday, 61.68. You remember? I really wanted you to make sure that you had that trend line on your chart because it was a significant number and the magic number of 61.68. And that's what we see here. Beautiful bounce off of it. We're closing the day higher, but still below those areas of resistance. Okay, those three moving averages as well as that 63.50, that is another area and key area of resistance that we need to pay close attention to. So now what we need to do tomorrow is really watch that 61.68 mark as well as the low of today, which was at 61.54. If we do ever break through the 61.68 and also through the 61.54 and close the day below it, we could head all the way down to the next area of support on our way down here at 60.67, which is a cross point of those two areas of support, the 60.67 as well as that 200-day moving average, which you see here in light blue. That is a significant number. They're both at 60.67 as you can see. And then also I want you to pay close attention to those areas of resistance up here, those moving averages, the first one here in pink and then the second one up, which is the green moving average, which is the 8 moving average, my favorite, and then the 50-day moving average, which is right here in dark red. So those areas are significant areas of resistance. Make sure you pay close attention to them as we go through the day tomorrow, as well as those areas of support that I mentioned here to you. All right, so now let's move down to analyze our friend MACD. Wow, check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is below the zero line in a bearish territory at this point in time, continuing lower. So continuing south. So that is what we do see on the MACD. So we do see a low down move here on the chart with the MACD confirmation. We are breaking through the zero line, entering into bearish territory, continuing south. So make sure that you watch your chart really closely here tomorrow and then also look for a confirmation with the MACD because that is what we need to do. Chart goes first and then the MACD goes second. Look for confirmation on the MACD and then also check this out. We are finally having a really nice day here on the markets today on a pretty nice and decent volume, slightly above the average, which is really good. That's what I want to see. I like spikes in volume and I like days on a pretty nice, decent volume above the average. So that's what we've been receiving here today. And that's what I want you to pay close attention to as well tomorrow. Spikes in volume. And then look for the activity on the chart. Look for tradable setups on the chart if we do ever get any. And then also look down at the MACD to make sure we're going in the right direction. And then also pay close attention to the volume and look for spikes in volume. All right, yeah. So guys, that's all that I have for you for today. Hope it helps you. Safe trading to all of you, and I